for joining this webinar. This is Pragati. I am from Moms Believe, and Moms Believe is an UN awarded international organization which is working for kids with special needs. So, good evening, everyone, and welcome Miss Neela. She is the speech language pathologist, and she has over 2 years of experience, who is Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for doing this webinar. Over to you, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, thank you for the wonderful intro.
Thank you.
Good evening, all. Today, we are planning to do a webinar on the topic a parental guidance to develop child's language. Here, we are focusing on the activities to improve your child's language. Before moving on to the activity, we just go through what's language. What's language? Language is a system of communication that the words that we express to share and we express to share and we want that we get what we want also. That's called the language, and also the language that is split into receptive language and also the expressive language. The receptive language is the ability of the child to understand what he or she read or hear. And also the expressive language. Here the expressive language, it means the ability of the child to express what he knows, like what he wants or needs. That thing says expressing is called expressive language. Here both the receptive and also the expressive language are correlated. In a typical developing child, in a normal typical developing child, the expressive language will be bit higher than the receptive language will be bit higher than the expressive language. The child starts to understand before they start to express. Let's move on to typical speech and language development part. From 0 to 6 months of age, the child starts to recognize the familiar voices. They start to recognize the familiar voices like mother, father, or grandmother, or like the people around them. Also, they start to localize the sound. Before around the 2 months, the child just localized through their eye gaze where the sound is coming and all. And after attaining 4 months, they head control. After attaining the head control, they start to localize by turning the head. And during this period, they pay more attention to music also. And in the expression part, the child expresses the needs and words through differential cry. They just if they are hungry or if they are in a discomfort situation or that all things they will convey through differential cry. And also during this period they start to coos and also babble when they are along or with along with us. Or cooing, that means it's the bubble like sounds. They've just produced the bubble like sounds like oo, e, or ah sounds. The babble are the sounds which are syllables. Syllable, that means it is a combination of a vowel plus and consonant. Here, for example, they will produce like ba, ma, 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 or ba, 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 ba sounds, like pa, pa, pa sounds, like this kinds of sounds. Then moving on to the next age, 7 months to 1 year. Here the child starts to respond the name call. They starts to understand the common items and the people. The people here means the people around them, like mother, father, and also grandma, and the people around the child. And also the common items like the things that child using, like a cup, plate, brush, like things. They start to understand the phrases, like simple phrases like come here or sit here, or like a simple phrases. And during this time they start to express the long strings of sounds, like I already explained, they starts to babble like ba ba ba, like here they starts to uh, produce a string of sounds like ba 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 ba, ma 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 ma, likewise. Here the child needs more attention, so they starts to get attention seeking behavior, like they, if they want something that is so difficult to reach, they just point to that object, or just they wave. If someone is going out, they just wave hands, like here the child starts to say one or two meaningful words, and also they starts to imitate different speech sounds. Let's move on to the activities. What are the activities that we can do from the age 0 to 1 year? Here, during this time period, the child shows more interest to rhymes and also songs. During this time, we want to introduce the rhymes and also songs. So here, during the rhymes, we will use the repetitive words and phrases. Like the over and over, the child will hear the same word and also the phrases over and over that help them to get that word. Then also during these all things, parents will usually do it at home, like during dressing time or during baby care time or the oil massaging time. You just want to introduce the body parts. The child starts to understand the body parts during this time, in front of the mirror, while you and mother are playing, when introduce the body parts by using the mirror. Touch your nose. Where is your nose? Touch your nose. Pinch your ears. Likewise, you can introduce body parts during this time. And also during this time, you can introduce the picture books. Picture books, that means a colorful books with big pictures. Uh, like cartoon pictures, or then to the outline pictures, like pencil drawing pictures, then to the real pictures. Here you can show the same different pictures for a particular object. This will help the child to understand that particular object better. Then also you want to during the feeding time and all, you just want to explain what all things is there. If for an example, if you are feeding, you just say, oh, mama is feeding you using the spoon. Where is the spoon? Oh, we are going to dip the spoon in the cup. Likewise, you want to give some stress intonation and also give some pause in between. Use simple sentence while talking to the child. Okay. Then also the makeup stories. Here we want to make stories with 3 to 4 word utterances. Like utterances means that are sentences. The sentence should be simple, and you just want to use intoned tone. Like you want to give stress, like uh, do you want this? Oh, see the big ball. Likewise, you want to, if you are focusing to the word big, you want to give stress to that particular word big. Okay. These are the activities that we commonly use at home to improve the language development. Next, next we can go through the language development from the age 1 to 2 years. The typical language development from the age 1 to 2 years, the child starts to follow simple commands. Give me the ball, or put the ball inside. Likewise, simple utterances they start to follow. And also they points to few body parts. They start to follow few body parts, like gross body parts. Gross body parts are the ones that like leg, hand, eyes, head, that kind of things are the gross body parts. That all things they will attain during this 1 to 2 year. Until they will start to identify pictures. And also during this period, they acquire a lot of new words, and they starts to name pictures while we introduce pictures. And also they answer simple WH what questions. And they starts to combine words like come here, stop that, or likewise they starts to combine 2 words. At the age of 2 years, the child starts to combine 2 words like stop here or come here, or Likewise, mama give. They start to use also pronoun also. I want, like I pronoun. They start to use I pronouns. Next, we can go through 2 to 3 years of age. Here, the child starts to understand the difference in meaning. Like the child starts to understand the big, small, or it's a heavier one. That all things they start to understand. Here they start to follow two-part directions. That means if you are telling go and pick the ball from the box and give it to mama, if he want to do that two continuous commands as in a single stress. Then after that, during this period, they start to understand action verbs action verbs like eating, brushing, or jumping. That all action words they start to understand, and also they start to understand the object use. Like if you are introducing a picture of a comb, they start to they will understand what we will do with this. They start to know understand this use of objects, and also they express most of the word most almost everything using their own words. They will start to combine 2 to 3 word utterances like mama I want milk, or mama I want cup of milk. Likewise, they start to combine long utterances. Here they start to use action verbs also. They ask why questions, or they begin to ask why questions instead of answering to our questions. They will also start to ask questions. Let's see what are the activities that we can do for from 1 to 3 year of age. Here for during this time, the child shows more interest to drawing, coloring, and pasting tasks. You just introduced drawing task, some creative, during this time the child shows more interest to creative tasks. Like when considering the drawing part, you just introduce a join the dots game or join the dots some games and ask the child to join the dots and find the hidden picture under it. Like you can just use join the dot like fruits or vegetables or common objects. That all things and you can use. And ask the child to join the dot and he want to find the hidden object. And just after that, after finding the hidden object, he just want to match the color. If we, for example, if we join the apple, he just want to match the color of an apple from that. Oh, where which color is the apple? Oh, is it red or yellow? He want to pick the color. And here in a particular activity, we can involve more goals. Like there we are involving the here we are involving the lexical items and also the coloring concept also including these all things are including. Then after this during this period the child knows the use of object. You just introduce a picture card or picture card of something like if you are introducing a picture card of a comb and ask the child, oh, what will you do with this? Oh, if the child is not responding, you just show the action. You just show the action using the object, and you want to show the action and you want to say the a particular action verb also. Okay, then he will imitate. If he is not imitating, you just prompt. You just give some cues like calm. What will we do? Calming. Likewise, you want to give some cues in initial cues. Okay. And then here also we can introduce picture books. Picture books should be some descriptive books. It's having an action part. Like he just the child want to before the 1 year. Before I already explained. Before 1 year, we are introducing the books with only one pictures, and it's a big book, and there is nothing to say. Only he can say what is this and this is this that all things. But here we are introducing books with the descriptive ones. Some action books. For example, if a boy is taking bath, what the boy is doing? The boy is taking bath. You want to say in a sentence that type of pictures you want to use. Okay. Then also you can introduce role play also. Role play here, the role play like cooking setting, or something like market setting, or he is coming to buy something from your market, or at that time he want to ask questions and the clarification and requesting. That all things he will develop during that activity. Okay. Okay. These are the activities that we done for age group of 1 to 3 years. Next, we can see the language development from 3 to 5 years. Here, from 3 to 4 years, the language development will be about the child starts to understand adjectives, and they start to understand adjectives like big, small, the fast, slow. These are things they start to understand. And also they start to understand the negations. If we are going to a situation, if one of the boy is not drinking milk or drinking juice, if we are saying, see, that boy is not drinking milk. Oh, he can identify, oh, that's called the negation. He can identify, oh, that boy is not drinking. Likewise. Then the categorization also developed during this period. The child starts to categorize like these all things are that we eat, or these all things that we wear, or that kinds of things. Then during this time, the child starts to understand color, identify colors. Then also they start to compare objects also, like this is a heavier one, this is taller one, this is the biggest one. That kind of comparison also they starts to develop. And during this time they starts to identify the pictures also. We are introducing the pictures from the 1 year itself, so they are for familiarizing with the pictures, so they will find the pictures, identifies the pictures. Then also they identifies the body parts by self itself. Then during this period, the child starts to answer WH questions. Most of the WH questions like what, where, which, who, that kind of questions they starts to answer. And also they tells how an object is used. Before itself, we did I explained an activity like when we introduce a com, they want to while we are asking, they want to answer. What will you do with this? These kind of things they will develop at 3 to 4 years of age. And also they start to use several pronouns. Like before they start, they tell only the I pronoun. Here they start to tell like he, she, they type of pronouns. During their spontaneous regular speech. Here they start to combine four-word utterances, four-word sentences. Like they put words together in a sentence. Let's see what's the development for 4 to 5 years. Here, the child starts to follow complex directions. If you are telling the child, go and take the cup from the kitchen and give it to Papa and get the watch from Papa. That long utterances, it involves 3 tasks. The child has to do the 3 tasks. Here, the child, this is called the complex directions. And also the child starts to understand the spatial concepts. Spatial concepts like on, under, inside, outside, that kind of things. They start to understand that kind of things. And also they start to understand the time and the concept. Like time, gross time. That means not the clock timing. It's the gross time like morning, and it's the afternoon, it's the night time. That kind of division they starts to understand. And also they start to identify the items like which is not odd one, what like which is not doesn't belong to this group or that. And also they compares the features of animals, like which animal is having the longest neck, or which is the shorter one, that kind of things. And they start to express the sentence. They use the sentence with that have more than one action words. Like they start to combine sentences with more action verbs. They during this time they start to tell short stories also, like with some present tense and past tense using the tense concepts. And also they start to explain simple procedures, like when they go to school, what they did, or that kind of things they start to explain. and also their daily routine also they start to explain. Here they knows how they tells to how to communicate when they were according to the listener and also to the place. While with the smaller kids, they just talk in a small, little louder or little simple sentence. These are all things they will pick during this time. Let's see what are the activities that we can do from 3 to 5 years of age. During 3 to 5 years of age, also the child shows more interest to drawing, coloring, pasting tasks. And all. Already, I explained the activities for drawing and coloring tasks that you can use in during this time also from 3 to 5 years also. During this time, they starts to tell stories. They start to ask questions or they tell stories if they are having any doubt or they clarify the doubts. These are things developed during this period. Then we can introduce the games like treasure hunt game. Ask the treasure hunt games like you can tell the child, I will ask you to pick one object. It is there in the, for example, it is there in the kitchen that we eat. That is red in color. It is in circle. What is that? He want to pick that object. He want to pick that particular object. That kind of games also we can introduce during this period. Then we can introduce some games like puzzle with farm puzzles or some zoo puzzles. Here also we can introduce the lexical items and instructing following commands, and he want to ask questions. We can ask WH questions. These are things involved during this activity. Then here also we can introduce picture books and also the sequential story cards. The child want to continue the sequential story cards like here story cards with written words or simple words. If a girl is taking bath, in under that picture it is written like a girl is taking bath. Just ask the child to point the word and read along with the child. These all things will improve the interest to the books. The child will shows more interest to the books. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can clarify.
Ma'am, there is one question in the chat box.
Yeah.
The child is 4.5 years and has problem in answering why questions, and he's not able to answer where and when questions. But he was very good till age 2. Suyojit Parmar, Suyojita Parmar. So Shivji, you can unmute her if possible.
Hi, Suyogita, you can ask your question. You are on mute.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, my child name is Virat. वो जब 2 साल तक का था तो बहुत अच्छी जैसा आपने बताया वैसे ही करता था, बब्बा
Can you
बब्बा
speak in
मम्मा मम्मा.
English?
Yes, okay, ma'am. My child, when he was in age 2, he used to do the same thing as you have told, Babba, Mama. But I
Yeah.
don't know what happened that after some time he has stopped talking, and now he is 4.5 years old. And what you are telling at the age of 2.5. He is doing right now means like he is not able to understand why question, when questions. He is not able to understand where you have gone, what you have ate. He is not able to understand these types of questions. but straightforward what he used to see, he is answering that type of question. For example, if I am combing, तो वो बोलेगा कि मम्मा कॉम कर रही है, मम्मा is combing. Okay, but he is not
Yes.
able to means express what done in the immediate past.
Oh, okay, okay. Before you did any assessment or
Yes. Mom believes, from mom belief only I am taking the treatment of my child.
okay, fine. First we want to assess the current level of the child. How he is speaking. First, we want to know how now how the reception and also the expression needs. Then
One
after
thing
that
more,
only.
ma'am, rote learning
Ah,
is very good. Means like counting. If I say that count from 1 to 50, he will start 1 to 50, A to Z, everything from pictures, everything he will say. But the problem is in the communication. Means he is not able to
okay, okay.
frame. He understand the things, but he is not able to frame.
Okay. Now, first of all, first we want to assess the current age. Then only we can decide what we can do. Or if the age is particularly the if it is an exact age, we can do that. We can get do the target, or we can get attain the goal, or we can do the take the goal according to that. Okay. So first we want to do assess the current level. Then only we can decide.
Okay.
You just contact our number.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other question?
Ma'am, there are questions in the chat box.
Okay. Can you read out that?
Yeah, one second. Huh?
Hmm.
How can parents support their child's development?
Okay. I already explained the activities. These are activities you can use for a typical child. If there is a delay or if it is a typical child, these all languages will help to improve the child's language.
Okay. Ma'am, there is one more question. How
Yeah.
to develop speech of autistic kid?
That also we want to assess the current level of the child. If the expression, reception, and also the expression that we want to assess, then only we can go through the goals. I
Okay.
think Preeti is having doubt. Can you please unmute Preeti?
Shivji, please unmute Preeti.
Preeti Arora is in mute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my son is 4.5 years old. Uh, he has a repetitive behavior, and also if we ask him ki where you do you go, so he says, yeah, I go to school, but he don't explain the thing what he did in the school.
He is
He
not explaining the sequence to
Yes,
you. Okay.
he understand the things but not explaining कि आपने वहाँ क्या किया, what happened there, what ma'am ने क्या कराया. He don't explain.
Okay. Now how he is communicating? He is communicating in like if he wants something, he says like I want
Yes,
that thing.
he says I want to eat this, I want to eat apple, I don't want to eat this. He says everything, but he don't explain the things. And like he also tell us the short stories. We जैसे आपने बोला activities कराने के लिए, we are doing that. We are doing therapies also. But he don't explain the things. जैसे वो पार्क गया है तो he cannot explain कि उसने पार्क में क्या क्या किया, या मैम ने स्कूल में क्या क्या कराया, what ma'am he did in the school.
Here also I want to know the current age, how the reception and also the expression age we want to do. Then only we can decide the upcoming goals. Okay. I think you can introduce the picture books. You just try with picture books. Okay.
Okay.
I already explained. No, you just try with the picture books with simple action words, action verbs, or likewise. with written, with under, with pictures with a written word. That first introduce that. Okay, with a simple pictures.
Okay.
At all time he will try to say in sentence and also with the connections like sequential cards also you can introduce. Okay,
He's also, ma'am, he's also not very social. Social
social skills also.
social
He's
skills
having
also.
what repetitive behavior you are saying?
It's like he's repeating A to Z: A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. And if I'm saying, Pritesh, please go to for a rhyme, so he do not switch to that. अगर उसे को if he wants to say it again and again, so he will go into that loop only. When
Okay.
his mind overcome from this, so I need to take very lot of efforts to get out of from it. This.
Here we want to do an assessment because if there is any associated condition is there that we want to assess. Okay, if it is only the language part, we can just do the activities and compensate that. But if there is any associated part, that also we want to assess. So let's take an appointment for assessment.
Okay.
You just contact with our number.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Nimi have one question. I'm just unmuting to him.
Oh, okay, okay, fine, fine.
Good evening, ma'am. I have a question. Like, if the child, like, there is a problem with the child, he is not or she is not able to read the sight words.
Oh, okay,
So,
okay.
and like to frame sentences. So, how can we go about them? How can we make them read
Read side
or
words.
sight words or some like they are able to speak, but they are not able to read when the words are written there in front of them,
Okay.
or they are mispronouncing them. Then,
Mm-hmm.
how do we go about it?
Okay. For the sight words, first you can start with picture along with the word. You can just for an example, you can just take a cardboard and in the left side you can put if it, the side word is you are taking the most common word is like home. Just paste the picture home here and write the word here. In the right side, write the word and ask the word to ask the child to like connect. I mean, ask the child to point the picture along the word. Okay. Not only the word, along with the picture, you first start with along the picture. Then move on to slowly, you can just stop the picture and then also you can just read one by one, House. Likewise, letter by letter, then to the word. Start with picture and along with that particular word.
Ma'am, Kanchan have a question. I'm unmuting
Yeah.
to you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, my child had development delay. So he started speaking after 4 years. Uh, and that too when he was into, when my parents and all, everyone had come, then he started actually doing speech and all. Now at the age of 6, he's able to speak and all, but he has problem in speech pronunciation parts. And
Okay.
also in his writing part, because he doesn't take interest actually, maybe
What
his
about the
file was,
language part? What about the language part? Now he is communicating in sentences and all?
yeah, he can speak in sentences after since last 1 year he's able to talk. Everything is done. I have actually repeated him for nursery also twice,
Hmm.
because
Okay.
initially at the age of 4 he was not able to grasp and all, but now
Okay.
because he is talking and all, everything he can talk in sentences. But
Okay,
when i
fine.
do when I do rhymes or something, he's not able to in English he's not able to make sentences. In Hindi, in our language, he is fine.
Okay, fine. Now he is
Okay.
having difficulty with pronunciation.
Yeah, his
Like,
pronunciation
can
is
you
not
give me
clear.
an example?
Like
If, tell.
like if I say uppar jao, he will say pappar.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So
Now the
somewhat,
age 6 years, no?
yeah,
Now
he's
the
now
age is
6.
6. Okay. Here the language part. I think the language part is okay. Here we want to assist the articulation part. That means how the speech pronunciation, how the child is pronouncing. That we want to assist. So that you want to get an appointment for the assessment. For the language it is fine. For the articulation part, you want to take the assessment.
So
There
that
we are
can be,
having, yeah. There are intervention for that also.
so ma'am,
We
that
provide
means
intervention.
that can be worked out, and that can be, I mean, it can be cured, you mean to say?
Yeah, sure. It's pure. We
Because
will give.
he's actually able to understand everything. He can answer what WH questions and all, as you said. He can recognize pictures. Everything is fine. But I am not understanding whether to put him in proper schooling
Ma'am,
and all. Proper schooling and all, because ma'am, he's not writing actually properly.
Okay. Writing part also is finding difficult.
Yeah, his writing part.
Okay, see, it's the language, and also it's now your child's difficulty is in the speech part. Language, it is an entirely different from the speech part. So here, in your case, the child is having the pronunciation difficulty. So we will assist for that. Now you are telling like the language is appropriate. He is telling everything in sentence and he is answering WH questions. That all things, everything is good. So we want to assist the speech part. Okay. There is
Okay,
an articulation test.
fine.
So you just contact us. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, Ishar has a question in Hindi. So, Pragati, can you please translate that, please?
Yeah, surely.
So, Shivji, please unmute Ishar.
Sir, as in mute. ईशर you can ask. ईशर आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं.
Okay, hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yeah. मैम मेरा बेटा है.
Excuse me.
Yes sir. Listen. Actually, I think आपके एंड पे ना नेटवर्क का इशू है. So वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है बहुत. So आप थोड़ा नेटवर्क एरिया में जाएंगे तो अच्छा होगा. आपकी वॉइस आएगी.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
आप अपना मैसेज क्वेश्चन चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए. We will read it.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. There is one more question.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. क्या आप मुझे सुन?
Yeah, there is one more question. That is how to work on speech pronunciation part. How to work on writing part of doesn't take interest. If the kid doesn't take interest.
Speech pronunciation, we want to assist. I already told the language and also the speech is entirely different. So for the speech, we want to assist particularly for the speech part. Then only we will get which all sounds is affected or what intervention that we can give.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, how do parents influence their children's language development?
Parents are the most one for the improvement for the child. So I already explained these are activities along with the consultation with a speech therapist. Then only you will get an idea what first you want to assess the child's current age, how the expression, how the reception, and also the how the expression. Then only we can move on to the intervention part.
And then there is one more question that is like, how can we motivate children to do the reading part, or to take interest in reading?
Reading part, you can introduce the pictures with the written. I explained like pictures with the written simple words under it. You just for the first level, you just ask the child to explain what all things is there in the picture, and after that, for the next level, you just point and read along with the child, and then slowly you just want to fade off the pointing, and the child want to point and he just want to read the sentence. You just give a prompt or a cue for the reading part. First of all, you want to develop the interest with the book. That I already told. You can introduce the books by 6 months onwards, but it depends upon the first the picture book will be colorful and with no words and with the only one picture, and after that a picture with action, simple actions, then after moving on to the descriptive pictures like this. Any more question?
अपना क्वेश्चन चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर दीजिए, वी विल आंसर यू. And Sanvi have a question. I'm unmuting you.
Yeah.
Sanvi, you are on mute. You may ask your question.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, my child knows how, like what kind of commands I am giving to her, but she doesn't know how to communicate.
Okay.
You know, she does. If I'll ask something, she'll reply something back, and she's 4 years old, ma'am. Please guide. She lacks in communication, though she has speech. You know, she'll say ki mama khana de do, mama bahar chalo, but then she will never say, you know, she doesn't know how to do social communication.
Okay. She repeats what you are telling.
Ma'am, she used to repeat, but with time, I have made her, leave that kind of a habit. You know, if I used to ask, what do you want? Then she used to say, what do you want? Then with time, she has stopped doing it. But then the point is, ma'am, she is lacking social communication. So please guide.
Okay, fine. See here, we want to assess. I already told. First, we want to assess the current age, how the child is understanding and also expressing. That we want to assess. Then only we can give the intervention part. Okay. Here, the social communication. I think this also. I want to see the child. I want to see the child and get the assessment. Then only we can decide what to do. Hello.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Aswarya have a question. Aswarya, I'm unmuting to you.
Can you please comment on the topic, the screen exposure and language development?
Yeah, sure. Screen exposure, where it means, as my opinion, you can give screen time to child, but it should be meaningful. it will be meaningful to the child. Like while you are introducing gadgets like phone or television or something, at that time you want to explain what all things is happening in that screen. If we are introducing a rhyme or a poem time, that time you want to explain, see, the bird is flying. Oh, what's happening here? That time you want to interact. It is just a one mode of communication. Like while we are introducing a screen, the child is not getting any opportunity to tell anything. Like they just only looking at the screen, and they are not getting any opportunity, or they no turn take, or no one is asking any questions. They simply just they want to look the screen and sit. But while we are introducing the screen along with the parent or the caretaker, they just ask questions. They will start to interact with the child. The child starts to pick words during that time, and also they start to follow commands, and they ask clarification. They start to answer questions. At that time, you can use the language techniques also. Like if the child is saying, Mama car, while you are introducing gadgets, it's a rhyme. Or they say, Mama car. Oh, that time you can length the utterance. Like, oh, yeah, yes, this is a car. Car is going fast. See, this is a big red car. That kind of information you can add on during the screen time exposure. Okay. In my opinion, no need to reduce the complete screen time. It is difficult to reduce during this scenario because most of the parents are working. So, but during the time, you also want to interact with the child. While introducing that time, you also want to interact. That's it. Any doubt?
No, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Any more questions?
Ma'am, I guess they are done with the questions. If there are more, then we can, specifically talk with the person and get it cleared. So, rest of the people can contact us on.
Can I comment on Veeraj's response? Here,
Definitely.
the assessment is the most important part because I can give you the like an intervention directly because I want to know the current age of the child, how the reception and also the expression. Then only I can give the intervention part. Also, as a commonly you are asking, I will give the comment on that. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Pragati, Ishwar have registered question in the chat box. Can you please translate? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Pragati, Ishwar has registered question in chat box. Can you please translate it?
Yes, sure. Ma'am, her kid is of 3 years and cochlear implant, they have done it, but he's not responding properly.
There, what about the speech?
What about the speech?
Speech part. How he communicates? Isha.
ईश्वर जी को अनम्यूट कीजिए ना।
ईश्वर, आप अनम्यूट हैं, आप अपना क्वेश्चन प्लीज पूछिए।
हाँ जी, हेलो मैम।
हेलो मैम, बोलिए।
हाँ जी मैम, मेरा बेटा है 3 ईयर का, तो हमने लास्ट ईयर ही उसका कॉकलियर इम्प्लांट करवाया है। तो मैम वो ध्यान नहीं देता, अभी तक तो वो कुछ भी बोलने नहीं लगा है। उसे आवाज भी दो ईश्वर ईश्वर करके, तो वो हमारी तरफ ही रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं करता। लेकिन लाइक कोई साउंड हो तो वो उसकी तरफ भी ध्यान नहीं देता। मतलब वो ना खुद में ही मस्त रहता है, जैसे कि अपने आप में ही रहता है, उसका किसी के भी साथ कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, ना ही वो किसी के साथ खेलता है, ना ही उसका इंटरेस्ट किसी टॉयज वगैरह में है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
Acha. So there is no response, like he is not, even if you're calling the kid, he is not responding it. A less of concentration, and he is not social, and he very using very few words. वो eye contact कर लेता है मैम?
नो नो नो, जब उसे नीड होती है, किसी चीज की जरूरत होती है, तभी वो हमारे पास आता है। तो फिर उसने ऐसे इशारा कर देना है किसी चीज की तरफ जो भी उसे चाहिए कि वो चाहिए, तो फिर हम जैसे घर पर ही है तो अभी समझ लेते हैं कि अभी उसे क्या चाहिए। जैसे जूस चाहिए तो उसने जूस का डिब्बा उठाकर हमें पकड़ा देना है, अपनी बॉटल दे देनी है कि अब जूस हम मुझे इसमें डाल दो। खाना चाहिए तो उसने प्लेट उठा लेनी है, अभी खाना चाहिए। तो वो जैसे वॉशरूम चुशू पॉटी वगैरह नहीं बताता अभी।
Okay. So ma'am, in what she's saying is, he is not responding properly, and using actions he is communicating as of for now with the parents. Even if he wants something, he'll just show in actions, but he won't use any words, nor he's responding. And even if you call him by his name, he'll not respond, and low concentration is there, and non-social.
Okay. Here, as my opinion, here we want to know the current. Also here, also I want to know the language aspects. Like if the child, now the child is 3 years, now the current understanding and also the expression language that I want to know. And also I want to assess the associated condition also, because they are not, the mother is concerning not only about the language aspects, they are also telling about the social interaction and also the pre-linguistic skills like attention and eye contact, that all things also affected. So we want to do a detailed assessment for this.
Okay.
Because it is not only related to the language part, there is an associated condition also there. So that we want to know. Okay. So
Okay.
get an appointment for assessment.
Sorry, ma'am. Any more questions we have?
One question is there in the chat box is, I have a 9-year-old child who has pronouncement issue.
Okay.
From Rupanita.
Here also I already explained the language and also the speech part is different. For the pronunciation which is coming under the speech clarity, that is the speech part. So there is a test to assess the speech part. After assessing, during that assessment, we will get which all sounds are affected. After assessment, only we can decide which all sound is affected in that child. And then only we can go through the intervention part. Okay. So here you want to get an appointment for assessment for the speech part.
So, Pragati ma'am, so I think.
Oh, Silpa have a question. I'm unmuting to her.
Yeah, hello here. I just wanted to comment on that cochlear implant child. This particular child, he can go for some developmental pediatrician's opinion once. So the parents will come to know exactly what is wrong and how to go about the management of the child. Yes. We had a query from Ishwar, I think, right? Cochlear implant.
Yeah,
child.
is having some associated
Yeah, so he has some comorbidity factors. So probably they should go for a thorough developmental pediatrician checkup.
Also, they want to assess the speech also, speech aspects also, because there is
Yeah,
a social.
that will
and
be
also the-
directed. Automatically, it will be directed to the speech therapist. Thank you.
Any more questions?
Ma'am, I guess we are done with the questions and we have come to our end of the session. So we can wind up now. And if any more questions, they can get in touch with us, and we are here to give you the assessment, give you the what exactly queries we have. We are there to solve it. So thank you everyone for joining this webinar. Thank you, ma'am, for this webinar. It was really informative. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Zainab.
you, Mom Phyllis,
It was a very good session. Thank you so
for
much.
this wonderful session.
Thank you, Shivji, for your support. Thank you so much.
Welcome.